So today we're going to look at recycling. Recycling is the process of converting a waste material such as glass, plastic, paper or metal into a material that can be used for the same or an alternate purpose. Why recycle? Well, it reduces the use of finite resources, which are resources that may run out. It also uses a lot less energy than extracting or processing these materials from their raw materials. Paper is one of the main things that can be recycled. This is good because it uses less water and energy than producing new paper directly from trees. Recycling paper also produces a lot less pollution. It saves us from cutting down trees, which has a negative impact on the environment. Plastic is non-biodegradable, which means it isn't going to break down on its own naturally. Therefore, it's important that we recycle plastic to keep it out of landfill. It also gets washed into the oceans and causes huge problems for marine life. Recycling glass saves lots of energy and money over making new glass. Recycling glass is also very easy to do. We just need to melt it, and there's almost no reduction in quality, so that the glass that we make from recycling is pretty much identical and just as good as recycling will make from glass will make from raw materials. Steel is relatively easy to recycle and saves around 50 to 75% of the energy needed to extract iron using a blast furnace, which heats it with carbon, and make new steel, an alloy of carbon and iron. Finally, aluminium. Aluminium is usually extracted through electrolysis, which is extremely energy demanding. So when we recycle aluminium, it saves up to 95% of the energy that's required to make the new cans. This is because new aluminium is extracted by electrolysis, a process which requires large amounts of energy. So essentially, we should recycle because it uses less energy, so we burn fewer fossil fuels. It reduces carbon dioxide put into the atmosphere. This decreases greenhouse gases, which in turn decreases global warming.